Welcome back to a new video, guys, and in today's video we're going to be taking out this Peugeot 2008 for a POV test drive. Inside the engine you've got 139 brake horsepower, 3-cylinder engine. Go ahead and push to start the car, get it going. Steering wheel on this car is a bit different. I've never felt a steering wheel that is designed in this sort of fashion. It just feels interesting. I do like the fact that you've got that digital sort of display showing you the speed that you're going at, and also the speed of the road that you're on as well. I think that's a cool feature. For a big car, definitely seems like it packs a lot of power. Definitely seems like it's got a lot of power. Listen to that engine, guys. For a 1.2, it's got a roar in it. Peugeot is obviously known as the brand that's got the lion. Logo. So I don't know if that's why their cars also seem like they make their cars sound in a particular way, like this one sounds. Alright guys, we're about to jump onto the motorway and see what this is all about. Okay. In terms of the steering wheel, you're kind of limited to how far up you can bring it and how low you want it. In terms of how low you want it, you can bring it down quite low, but this is as high as the steering wheel goes. Personally, if I could, I would push it more upwards. I think what I'm going to do in a second when I stop is I'm going to push it forward, because I don't really like the position that it's in right now, to be fair with you. Okay, there's my dream car right there, just going past it on the side. See that Audi A5, lovely little thing. There's a Tesla. Ugh, yuck, we don't like those. Don't mess about with electric cars, useless. And there she is behind me, my dream car again. Lovely little thing. Now doing 40 miles an hour. I like that for such a big vehicle, it has a lot of power. It pulls quite nicely. Does depend on what gear you're in, obviously, but it does seem to pull quite nicely. Or there's a Porsche. Never used to be a fan of Porsches, but they've really grown on me ever since I saw the GT3 RS, or just some of the Porsches that kind of look like the GT3 RS, but maybe aren't the GT3 RS. I've definitely become a fanboy. Not a big fan of the Cayennes or those big 4x4 ones, but the hatchbacks and the 2 doors. I think if I ever get rich enough and I'm having a midlife crisis, definitely will get my hands on a Porsche. All right, people, let's see what the performance of this thing's like. Oh. Wow. Jesus. Yeah, I'm definitely going to enjoy driving this tomorrow. Oh, it picks up nicely. And the handling of the car as well. The handling is really good. It's very well planted on the road. Very responsive steering wheel. Yeah, this is nice. Wow, okay. Oh, let's make sure we're keeping to the right here, because that's where we're going. Oh, this is nice. Wow, jumping on the motorway with it, getting up to speed, that was sensational.